Okay, now you can go. Good hit, Luca. You gonna do it again?
Yep.
Okay.
Now, I do this one.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Yep, you can go. Go ahead. Good hit. Good job.
Now I'm gonna try this one. Go.
Yep, go ahead. Oh, that's okay. Try again.
Okay.
Oh, that was a strong hit.
Yay!